Today lecture I'm going to discuss what vector in Java programming language. So this is the small definition about the vector. A vector can be defined as a dynamic array that can grow or shrink its own. Vector will grow when more elements added and it will shrink when elements are removed. So it's a work similar as a array list. So this is the one simple program that I'm using vector. So now here you can see this is the vector and it's a type integer. Now you can only enter integer type values inside the vector. Okay, so vector integer v is the object new vector, and after that int array type. So this all elements, and for I value is now 0, and this place that count the length of ARR. So total element is 5. So here length is 5. Now v, so v is the object of vector. So this add ARR 0 index value. So 0 index, then or this add 0 index is 22. So here 22. Next I value increase. I is now 1 less than 5, condition true. So the next that add 26, then after I increase, then after I value is now 2, so 2 index 10 is there, 10, like that is now 40, and next 50. So this are 5 elements that added. After that 5 less than 5 condition false, so that out from the for loop. So here on the vector object this elements that added. After that vector elements, if you want to display, then here I value start from 0. So here this is now 0 index 1 2 3 4, and after that v dot size. So here that is 5 the size. So now here size 5. Then after here v dot get. So I index is now 22 that display. Then after here or like that I value increase. So I is now 1 less than 5 condition true. Then 1 index 26. After that 10. Then 40, and now 50. 1 by 1 that add. So total here is, this is the size 5 less than 5 condition is false. So that comes to this point. Now here you can see, so here add method that I'm using. So it is used to append the specified element into the end of the vector. So this all elements that append. Now then after size, so it returns the number of element present in the vector, and after that get, so it returns elements at a specified position in the vector. So a specified position, then this is 0 1 2 3 4, and this that print, so that print 22 26 on the new line. ln is there, so 22 26 10 40 50. After that element using list iterator. So here v dot iterator return a list iterated element in this list in the proper sequence, and that go to lit, and after that here in forward direction, then it do the traversing of the forward direction. Has next method that I'm using, so it traverse the list into the forward. Okay, like this is forward direction 22 26, and if you are using previous, then it will do, so 50 that come 40 10 26 22. So this are here method is there, has next, has previous. So let's run this file. and check the output first. So first that display 22, 26, 10, 40, 50. So there is no any problem with the code. Now this, after adding inside the vector, then after here I'm using v dot get. So 0 index, 1 index, all the value that is displaying. Now after that here list iterator that I'm using to iterate the element in the list, and then after lit that call has next. So traversing in the, so first is 22, 26 and this all, and after that here I'm using previous, then after previous then 50, 40 that come on the reverse order. So this is the easiest way we can here reverse the element inside the vector by using reverse has reverse method. Okay, so return the previous element in the list and advance to the cursor position. So this is the program for vectors. So I hope guys you understand how's the vector that work.